Welcome back to the Robotics Series. In this video, we are talking about the most important part of robot, actuators. These are the components that make robots actually move. We'll look at the motors, servo motors, and pneumatic systems and see where each one is used. What is an actuator? An actuator is simply a device that converts energy into motion. When a robot wants to move a wheel, lift an arm, or grip an object, it uses an actuator. Actuators are responsible for producing movements, controlling speed, and generating force or torque. Without actuators, a robot is just a body with no muscle. There are many types of actuators: electric, pneumatic, and hydraulic. But in this video, we will focus on three most common in robots. Those are the motors, servos, and pneumatic actuators. Okay, let's talk about electric motors. Electric motors convert electrical energy into rotational movement. They are everywhere, like in robots' wheels, fans, conveyor belts, drones, and more. The main types are like DC motors, stepper motors, and brushless motors, each designed for different level of precision and power. Okay. Next, we are going to talk about the DC motors. So this is a type of electric motor. And DC motors are the simplest type. They spin continuously and their speed can precontrolled by voltage or PWM. They are very cheap and easy to use, but they don't provide precise precision and control unless you add extra sensors. You will find DC motors in basic robots, toy cars, and simple wheel platform. Okay, now we are going to talk about the stepper motors. So stepper motors move in small and precise systems. They are perfect when you need accurate position control without using a sensor. That's why 3D printers, CNC machines, and many robotic arms use these stepper motors because they give great precise at low speed. Okay, now we are going to talk about the brushless motors we call BLDC. So brushless motors or BLDC motors are more advanced. They are efficient, high speed, and long lasting because they don't have physical brushes that wear out. So they do require an electronic controller called ESC. You will see BLDC motors mostly in drones, electric vehicles, and fast robotic systems. So the other one is the servo motors. So in this, the servo motors are key part of robotics because unlike DC motors, that just spin continuously, servo motors can hold a specific angle or position, and they have a built-in feedback system that constantly checks their position, making them ideal for robotic joints, arms, and anything that needs accurate movement. So how a servo motor works? So a servo motor contains four main parts: a motor, a gearbox, and a sensor and a controller. The sensor measures the output position and the controller adjusts the motor to match the target angle. This closed loop system is why servos are smooth, precise, and easy to program. And you will find them in humanoid robots, robotic arms, and even RC vehicles. So now we are going to talk about the pneumatic actuators. So this pneumatic actuator systems powered by compressed air. These include cylinders, pneumatic grippers, and even air muscles. So they are extremely powerful and fast, making them great for industrial robots that need quick movements. The downside is they require a compressor and they are not precise as electrical actuators. Okay, let's talk about the motors, servos, or pneumatics. So let's compare these three types. So how do we compare these three actuator types? So motors are great for simple rotation and continuous motions, but servos, they are perfect for precise position and joint control. And pneumatics, They are strong and very fast but less accurate. So each actuator has its place depending on what the robot needs to do. So when considering that, the next question we have is how to choose an actuator. So when choosing an actuator, consider these type of questions. So do you need precision? Do you need speed? Do you need high force? For example, use DC motors for wheels, servos for joints. Matching the actuator to the job is key to good robot design. So when considering about the summary we talked today, actuators are what brings robot to life. Motors give rotational movement, servos give precision and controls, and pneumatic deliver fast and powerful motion. Understanding how each one works helps you to design a better robotic system. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video in our robotics series.